Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you what happens when you put a lemon peel with cloves in your garden. You'll be surprised. Many gardeners keep this trick a secret. And once you discover why it's done, you'll always use it. Lemons are not only great for making tea or cookies. Their true power lies in the garden. There's a reason why experienced gardeners stick cloves in lemons and place them among their plants, and believe me, the effect is incredible. This is one of those tricks that protects your plants without chemicals and in a completely natural way. Just imagine, no harmful insecticides, no unnecessary expenses. And your garden remains healthy, blooming and free of pests. And now I will tell you how to do it. All you have to do is take a fresh lemon, stick 5 to 7 cloves in it and place it in several places in the garden. The smell of this combination drives mosquitoes, ants, flies, wasps and other harmful insects away from your plants. If you want your plants to be strong and resistant to pests, try this simple trick. Take a few lemons and cloves and place them near your seedlings. This will protect your young plants from many pests and diseases. For even better protection, place a few garlic cloves around the lemon. This will create a powerful insect repellent that will keep your plants safe. To make your garden bloom profusely, place a mixture of lemon peels and cloves in the soil around your flowers. This will not only deter pests, but also provide an additional source of nutrients for your plants to prevent fungal diseases in the garden, especially in rainy season. Place pots with a mixture of lemon peel and cloves near the affected plants, the antifungal properties of lemons and cloves will help to get rid of the disease, and the smell will repel pests. Even if you don't have time to plant flowers or herbs, just hang a few sachets with cloves and lemon peel in your garden. They will not only look beautiful, but also fill your garden with a pleasant aroma that repels insects if you have a greenhouse. This trick is especially relevant for you. Place pots with a mixture of lemon peel and cloves on shelves or hanging planters to keep your plant safe from pests and diseases. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can enjoy a healthy and pest-free garden too. And that's all for today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.